In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock Zoho Mail. If you're managing Zoho Mail accounts and happen to find yourself in a situation where an account needs to be unblocked, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of unblocking an account efficiently and effectively. So let's not waste any time and dive straight in. First, what you need to do is head over to the Zoho Mail admin console. To access this, simply open your browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail admin console page. This is your control center where you'll manage various settings related to your Zoho Mail accounts. Make sure you're logged in with the appropriate admin credentials, as this process requires administrative access to manage the security settings. Once you're on the admin dashboard, look for and click on the option labeled Security and Compliance. This is a critical section of your Zoho Mail admin settings, where all things related to account security, such as two-factor authentication and account activities, are managed. In here, you're going to take charge of the security facets of your accounts, specifically unblocking them in this instance. Now, within the security and compliance section, you'll see an option titled Blocked Accounts. Click on it. This will bring up a list of all the accounts that have been blocked for some reason or another. Typically, accounts can get blocked due to security reasons or policy breaches, so you'll want to review this list carefully to ensure that you are unblocking the right account. Next, scan through the list and identify the specific email address that you wish to unblock. It's essential to verify that you're selecting the correct email, as unblocking a wrong account may lead to unintended access issues or security concerns. Once you've pinpointed the email address in question, select it by clicking on the checkbox next to it. After selecting the account, look for the unblock icon. This will typically be a button located somewhere on the page, possibly at the top or bottom of the list. Click this icon to initiate the unblocking process. Doing this will restore access to this email account, allowing it to send and receive messages as usual again. And there you have it, you've successfully unblocked an email account on Zoho Mail. To wrap up, I would recommend double checking that the account functions properly by having the user log back in, or sending a test email to ensure everything is back to normal. This not only confirms that the unblocking was successful, but also reinstates full email functionality to the user. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful in resolving your Zoho Mail issues.